There I was, minding my own business, not bothering anyone. And then all of a sudden, this happened. Just do it. Let me tell you something. Stop posting. I found my content on somebody else's page. Again, it happened to me. I'm just like you. I'm not exempt. I'm not special. I'm a small content creator trying to live my small content creator life, and someone has stolen my content again. Now, I don't know if they're trying to give me credit, if they're paying an ode to content creators. I don't know, but I'm gonna tell you what I do know. I don't like it. Once again, someone, and I wish I would have wrote his name down, is out there in these YouTube streets stealing people's videos. And if you didn't know, I'm saved, sanctified, and delivered with a T. But I didn't forget where I came from, and I will turn Al Pacino, Godfather, on someone in a hot minute.
Just when I thought I was out, they pulled me back in.
Especially because I work hard for my YouTube AdSense. A girl is out here trying to live her best small content creator life, doing all the things, and someone has decided that they're going to capitalize off of my hard work. And not only mine, lots of other videos were showing up on this creator's channel. Actually, he's not even a creator. I'm not the only one that's making videos about this scandalous activity here on YouTube. Nope, my sister Toby Rich.
So someone stole my video and downloaded the entire thing, like 100%, and posted it on their own channel to try to get views and subscribers. And I don't know why anyone would do that.
She's not my actual sister. She's my YouTube sister. Toby Rich has made a video about it. Glory C in Nigeria has made a video about it.
You know what? Someone from somewhere would then come and take that your video, download it, and upload on their channel and go and report you to YouTube.
Vibes with Sonia has made videos about this very same thing, and we are not standing for it. And that's why in this video today, I'm going to be going over how you can protect your channel and your hard-earned YouTube coins, and you do not need for your hard work to be credited to someone else, or worse yet, someone takes your work, claims it as their own, and then do a copyright strike on you as if. Now that I'm calmed down a little bit, hi, I'm Riva, your YouTube coach, helping you to learn, earn, and grow your YouTube channel. I help you to build passive income streams in order to leave a legacy, not only for yourself, but those that come after you. Yes, I have a new set, all black everything. I hope you like it. If you do, leave me a comment. Before we get into today's video, you know what time it is. It's time where I shine the light on another small or emerging content creator. And this week's revealer in the spotlight is Donna B. Life. I wanted to highlight a cooking channel as we approach Christmas season, where everyone is going to be cooking, except for me, because that's not my gift. My husband's the cook in the family, and he cooks very well. But another person who cooks very well is Donna B. Life. She cooks a lot of Jamaican food on her channel.
Didn't know what to cook. I wasn't even thinking about Thanksgiving.
Yum. Every time I watch Donna's content, I either want to run to a Jamaican restaurant and buy some food, hoping it's like hers, or I want to get in the kitchen and try my hand at one of her recipes. I'm going to leave Donna's channel down in the description box so that you can connect with her. Next week, the revealer in the spotlight, it could be you. Okay, so back to the video. I posted a video about 2 months ago as I started to blow up on YouTube, at least blow up from my small content creator channel. And I discovered during my weekly checks that someone had stolen my content. I was afraid. I was afraid that I received a copyright strike on my channel, only to find out that someone else, they either screen recorded or they completely downloaded my video and then they uploaded it into their channel. And how I discovered it was during my weekly content check. I do like a wellness check every week on my content over in the back office in the YouTube studio. But I discovered it once I hit the copyright tool. I saw my video with someone else's name on it. And honey, I clutched my pearls. It was like, oh, I thought I had a copyright claim, only to find out that it was someone else. I was moving so hastily that I failed to capture what channel it was, when they had uploaded. I was too busy filing my copyright claim and requesting them to take it down immediately. I didn't give them 7 days to take it down. I didn't send an email requesting them, please take my content down. I was spitfire mad and I wanted them to take down my content immediately. However, this time when I discovered it last week, I let it marinate for a while because I thought, well, maybe they don't know how to share my content. Maybe they're doing an ode to other channels. And like I said in my other video, I'll leave an end card there. There's a right way to share people's content and show your support, and there's a wrong way. There's a clout chasing way that people take your content and don't give you credit. Here are multiple channels in our community what I consider a safe space. Like this channel here, Joy Kakweva. She knows how to share properly. She knows how to give credit the right way. And she's always showing support within our community. But again, there's a right way and then there's the wrong way. So let's hop into my studio and I'll show you what I'm talking about and how we are going to handle it this time. You saw the video of me and Toby doing our live. If you do a collab live, that's how it's going to show up. If you find your content on someone else's page, it will show up under the matches tab. You can do a request removal. I did a 7-day removal for this content. I gave them the courtesy of 7 days. They removed it immediately, and here's the correspondence from YouTube. A way how you can protect your content is by putting a watermark on all of your videos. Now, since I've shown you how to discover if your content is on other people's channels without your permission and how maybe leaving a watermark can help you to protect your content, at least by showing that it is your property, and also how you should be going back every week and checking your own content and your own channels to make sure everything is copacetic. Maybe these tips and tools will help to protect you and help to protect your channel in the future, because your work is valuable and your time is precious and you don't want other people stealing your content. If you want to continue to learn, thrive, and grow on your YouTube channel with us in our Revealer community, I'm hoping that you'll check out the 4 strategies that'll get you more views in 2025 and beyond. So I'll see you next time on the next video. I love you, be blessed, and keep shining your Revealer light.